This is Monday. I'm going to try and do some maintenance videos on Mondays. This is the Ohio River jack that I modified, and it looks really good, but the Micarta covers on it look kind of dry. They almost have a weathered look. This side is a little bit better. So one trick that you can do on maintaining your Micarta is to use boiled linseed oil. One thing I do with this, I just get a little dab on my finger. I don't get too much. Let's close the blade and just rub it into the covers. This is the side that was weathered looking, so I'm going to leave a little bit of excess on there and let it soak in. So I'm just going to let this soak in and let it dry overnight, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. But this is a great way to maintain your Micarta covers or scales, whether you have a pocket knife or a fixed blade. This will keep them looking brand new for a long time. This may need a second coat because it was looking pretty weathered. It was a lot of white that was showing, especially on this side. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow, and we'll see if we need another coat. One word of caution: if you use some rags with boiled linseed oil, I find the best thing to do with them is to put them outside in a fire pit if you have one, or in the wood stove. They can spontaneously combust. So don't leave rags soaked with boiled linseed oil just laying around in your garage or in your house. You might end up with a nasty surprise. Make sure you dispose of them properly. Be safe.